Ashita and welcome back to my channel. So as you can see by the title of today's video, in this video I'm gonna be doing my birthday glow up. Some of you may already know my birthday is coming up on 31st of July, which is this Friday. अगर इस वक्त कोरोना कोविड सिचुएशन नहीं चल रहा होता तो मैं पार्लर जाती, I would get my hair spa done, I would also get my nails done, my pedicure done, and you know, just pamper myself before my birthday. I know beauty salons और nail salons अब खुल चुके हैं, अब लोग जा रहे हैं, but still I personally don't want to go right now क्योंकि बहुत ज़्यादा केसेस बढ़ रहे हैं. तो मैं जितना बाहर जाना लिमिट कर सकती हूँ मैं उतना करती हूँ. I did not want to go to a salon, and also I have everything that I need to groom myself, and that's why this year I wanted to do this glow up at home video and also share this experience with all of you guys. I know आप में से बहुत लोग अभी तक salons नहीं गए होंगे और प्लान भी नहीं कर रहे होंगे, तो आपके लिए वीडियो बहुत हेल्पफुल रहेगी. You can do this as you know a pampering session for yourself or even as a रक्षाबंधन glow up, क्योंकि अभी रक्षाबंधन आने वाला है, and you know we all deserve that pampering spa days, so yeah, you deserve it. So yeah, if you're interested to watch this video, please keep on watching. But before we get started with today's video, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please abhi jaake subscribe karo and also hit the bell notification so you get notified every time I upload a new video on YouTube. You can also follow me on my Instagram. This is my Instagram handle, and yeah, now let's get started with today's video. Okay, so before starting with the entire glow up process, I want to share the things that I'm going to be doing. So first up in my agenda is that I have to fix my nails. Second, I have to get my waxing done. Third, I have to get my pedicure done. Fourth, I need to do my hair spa. And fifth, I have to do some skincare जिसमें masking और ये सब आ जाएगा. First thing that I'm gonna do is I'm gonna fix my nails. So as you can see, ये वाला हाथ बहुत बेचारा सा लग रहा है and ये वाला pretty सा लग रहा है. I did this hand in the morning off camera, and now I'm gonna do this one. I'm gonna be sharing with you guys a very simple DIY acrylic nails and how you can get this done at home. So yeah, let's get started with that. So I got this acrylic nails set from Amazon, and it has about 100 nails in different shapes and sizes. And जो आपको fit करता है वही वाले nail choose कर सकते हो. And after that I'm gonna cut my nails. एकदम छोटे कर लूँगी मैं अपने nails को. And after I cut my nails, I'm also gonna file them really nicely. After that I'm gonna cut the acrylic nail also, क्योंकि मुझे बहुत लंबे nails अच्छे नहीं लगते हैं, मुझे थोड़े natural looking nails ही अच्छे लगते हैं. And I'm also gonna file it पहले ही, लगाने के पहले ही. I'm also gonna you know reshape it अगर मेरे nail bed से थोड़ा बड़ा है, so I'm gonna do all of that. Now comes the part of sticking the nails. For that I'm using this Miss Claire's glue. इस set के साथ भी एक glue आया था, but I'm not using it क्योंकि मैंने Miss Claire वाला glue पहले use कर रखा है and I really like it, so I'm using that. So I am applying the glue inside the nail, like inside the acrylic nail, and then I'm pressing it on, and I'm also using a paper towel to press it on at first, and after that I'm also using my thumb to you know just insert some more pressure. And once the nail is secure, you're all done. Now you gotta just repeat this step for your other fingers, and yeah, you are gonna be all done. So once that is done, it's time for the nail paint. Here I've chose Nykaa's this pista colored nail paint shade. I think it's called Hastala Pista. So this is a very different shade. Now once I have applied like one single coat, I'm using this UV lamp which my best friend gifted me. I'm gonna let the first coat dry, and after that I'm gonna apply the second coat and repeat the same process. Yeah, this is the final look. Okay guys, so done with the nails. Let me show you. So yeah, it took me about 20 minutes to do this hand, and I really love the result. में इतना मेहनत भी नहीं लगी, ये cost efficient भी बहुत है because ये आपको पूरा kit और ये सब मिला के it is not that expensive at all. अगर आप बाहर जाते हो acrylic nails कराने तो काफ़ी कभी कभार expensive भी हो जाता है. So I think it's really nice. एंड वन मोर थिंग दैट आई वांट टू टेल यू गाइज इज़ कि मैं हमेशा ऐसे एक्रेलिक नेल्स प्रेफर नहीं करती हूँ. एज यू मे नो, आपने अगर मेरे पहले वाले ब्लॉग्स देखे हैं तो मेरे नेल्स इससे ज़्यादा लंबे खुद से हो जाते हैं एंड स्ट्रॉन्ग भी हो जाते हैं. बट अनफॉर्चुनेटली मेरे बर्थडे के टाइम पे ही मेरे 2-3 नेल्स टूट गए थे, इसीलिए मैंने ये करा है. सो या नाउ वन टास्क इज़ डन. नाउ फॉर माई नेक्स्ट टास्क आई हैव टू डू माई वैक्सिंग. सो आई एम नॉट श्योर मैं आपको कितना दिखाऊंगी वैक्सिंग का, बट आई जस्ट शो यू अ लिटिल ग्लिम्स. मैं आपको पहले ही बता देती हूँ, आई एम गोना बी यूजिंग रीका वैक्स. ये मैं हमेशा से यूज़ करती हूँ. आई रियली प्रेफर रीका वैक्स क्योंकि उससे बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छे से टैनिंग निकलती है और ग्रोथ भी बहुत कम हो जाती है. सो मेरी वैक्सिंग करेंगी.
1 2 3 फंक इट.
गाइस डन विद द वैक्सिंग. आज थोड़ा ज़्यादा टाइम लग गया क्योंकि ह्यूमिडिटी बहुत है, बट एनी वे फाइनली इट इज़ डन. एंड नाउ टू द लास्ट टास्क फॉर टुडे विच इज़ पेडिक्योर. आई एम गोना शो यू गाइस हाउ आई डू माई पेडिक्योर एट होम. Alright guys, so for pedicure I already have this pedicure tub. You can use a regular tub instead of that. I've filled it with hot water and I have added my shower gel into this. You can also add shampoo of your choice. And the second thing that I've added in this is hydrogen peroxide, and it helps in cleaning down all the dirt and impurities from your feet. And okay, so now I'm using this dead skin remover tool to remove all of my dead skin around my heels, and yeah, just to get rid of all the dead skin. After that I'm using this little brush. I'm just gonna clean my toenails and just overall my foot ताकि एकदम सारा dirt निकल जाए. After that I'm using this Bath and Body Works lotion. This is their Mad About You, and I'm using it to just massage my feet. This is again from Nykaa. It's their creme brulee. I don't like to put like bright colored nail paints on my feet, so yeah, I have used this nude one. Okay guys, so done with pedicure, and yeah, I'm gonna call it a day now. I don't know what it is. Pedicure के बाद इतने relax हो जाते हैं और बहुत नींद आती है. So yeah, I'm gonna see you guys tomorrow, and I'm gonna continue this birthday glow up. So yeah, see you tomorrow. Hey guys, good morning. It is the next day. It is currently raining and it is my favorite kind of weather. I think last time भी जब मैं vlog कर रही थी तो बारिश हो रही थी. So yeah, it's a perfect cozy day to do this spa treatment. Today I'm gonna be taking care of my hair, so I'm gonna do some hair spa for my skin. So I'm also gonna be doing some masking treatment. So for the hair spa I'm gonna be using this. This is from Matrix. It's called the Opticare. It's the Shea Butter one. To be honest, I haven't used this one before. इससे पहले मैं L'Oreal का hair spa use करती थी. वो मुझे इस बार नहीं मिला, so I got this one instead. And yeah, I'm gonna try this for the first time and also give you guys like a mini review or first impression sort of a review. And I have created like a little station here. मैंने एक छोटी सी टेबल पे टाल लगा के I've kept this hair spa, and I've also got like this bowl. इसमें I'm gonna take out the hair spa, and I also have this brush to just give it a more professional feel. So I'm gonna use this brush to apply it on my hair. So I washed my hair today and I haven't used any mask क्योंकि मैं ये करूँगी. As you can see, my hair is very frizzy, especially during this monsoon season. ऐसा हाल हो जाता है मेरे बालों का. Since I've just washed my hair, they are still pretty damp. और ऐसे ही डैम्प बालों में you should apply the spa cream. So I'm not gonna waste any further time and quickly start with the application process. Yes, adore you all of the time. I like to. I like to. Okay guys, so as you can see, I'm taking generous amount of this spa cream and I'm applying it on my roots using the brush. Then I'm using my hands to spread it all over. And yes, I'm being very generous with the spa cream क्योंकि मेरे बाल बहुत ड्राई हो गए थे. After I literally saturated my hair in this spa cream, I'm taking some more and I'm putting it on my ends. As you can see, मेरे ends ज़्यादा dry हैं. And after that is done, I'm massaging my scalp. I did this for 5 minutes. उससे आपका circulation अच्छा हो जाता है. now on to the next task, and this one is going to be the last one in this birthday glow up list. So I'm going to be doing some clay masking. Now this is not sponsored at all. मैं ये पहले ही बता देती हूँ क्योंकि फिर कुछ लोगों को लगता है कि sponsored है तो ऐड कर रहे हैं. Yes, I did work with a brand for my Instagram and I love this brand. और मैं जितने भी brands के साथ collab करती हूँ, I genuinely love their products. Okay, so I decided to multi-mask today. Now I'm using the pink clay mask on my cheeks as this one is the glow mask and I really need that glow for my cheeks, so I'm using it here. Second, I'm using their green clay mask. The green clay mask is for acne prone skin and for the oily skin, and my T-zone is very oily, so I'm using the green clay mask for my T-zone. And lastly, I'm using the yellow clay mask, which is the detan polish. I'm applying it all over my neck to remove that tan. I always like to include my neck area also in my skincare. So yeah. Okay guys, so I'm gonna leave this for 20 minutes और उतनी देर में हेयर स्पा को निकालने का भी टाइम हो जाएगा. So I'm gonna take a shower only and I'll see you after that. ओके गाइस, सो आई एम बैक आफ्टर 2 hours. मैंने अपने बाल ब्लो ड्राई से ऐसे स्ट्रेट भी कर लिए हैं एंड इतने सॉफ्ट लग रहे हैं, आई कांट इवन टेल यू. एंड या यू कैन ऑल्सो सी माई फेस. अभी मैंने जानबूझ के कोई मेकअप नहीं लगाया बिकॉज आई वॉन्टेड टू शो यू दी आफ्टर इफेक्ट. माई स्किन फील्स सुपर स्मूथ एंड देयर इज अ लिटिल बिट ग्लो देयर एंड आई फील रियली रिफ्रेश्ड एंड रियली रिलैक्स्ड. आई ऑल्सो वॉन्टेड टू शेयर अ फ्यू प्रोडक्ट्स. व्हेन आई टुक अ शावर आई यूज दिस शावर जेल. दिस इज फ्रॉम Bath and Body Works. It's their 1000 Wishes shower gel. It smells amazing, it feels amazing. And after the shower I used this body cream. This is again from Bath and Body Works and it's their In the Stars body cream. ये मैंने इस बार ही लिया है and I'm in love with this fragrance especially. अब मैं सोच रही हूँ In the Stars variety में I'm gonna order a body mist as well because oh my god, the fragrance is next level. I really love it. and अभी तक मैंने फेस पे कुछ और नहीं लगाया है, so now I'm gonna apply this cream. This is from the Face Shop. It's their chia seed hydrating cream. ये मुझे बहुत पसंद है. As the name suggests, it's very hydrating, so I really love it. So I'm just gonna take a little bit. Okay, so for the last and final step, I'm gonna use this body mist again from Bath and Body Works, and this is again in 1000 Wishes fragrance. It smells heavenly. I can't even tell you guys. I love Bath and Body Works products. So yeah guys, I'm gonna be ending this video right here. This was my birthday glow up. I'm not including the makeup वाला part in this vlog. I guess वो मैं आपको अपने birthday vlog में ही दिखा दूंगी. Yeah guys, I'm gonna end this video right here. I really hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. ऑल्सो अगर सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो अभी करके जाओ, मेरे को बर्थडे गिफ्ट दे के जाओ. एंड या इन द कमेंट सेक्शन लेट मी नो हाउ डिड यू लाइक दिस वीडियो एंड व्हाट काइंड ऑफ वीडियोस यू वांट टू वॉच नेक्स्ट. एंड या अपना ध्यान रखो, इम्यूनिटी स्ट्रॉन्ग रखो एंड सारे प्रिकॉशंस लो. एंड आई एम गोना सी यू गाइस नेक्स्ट टाइम. बाय.